Hi, so tonight's meal is creamy vegetable lasagna with baked kale chips. I love kale chips and add it with anything wherever I can. Full of goodness, 5 minutes, 7 minutes in the oven with a little bit of oil and salt and maybe some garlic. The lasagna also really easy, all about layering. Use whatever vegetables you have. Try to stick to the same colors. It helps with taste, and soak the veg in a little bit of the sauce that you're going to make and then top it up. Make sure you've got quite a bit of sauce. For family, for about a litre. Thicken it up with a bit of cornflour and whatever other spices you've got and top it up at the end. Have fun!